There are so many different regional accents in the UK, but if you want to speak with a neutral RP, received pronunciation, like many newsreaders on the BBC, look no further, because today we're going to be looking at how to use the linking R sound. Oh, and stay with me for the practice at the end. You'll love it. So why do we use linking sounds? Because we don't talk like I am talking now. Instead, we talk in an almost continuous flow of unbroken sound until we need to pause for a breather. If you haven't already watched my videos on linking W and linking Y, you can find them here. So today, it's linking R. If you want to speak with received pronunciation like me, we pronounce the R sound at the end of a word, but only, and I mean only, when the next word begins with a vowel sound. Easy peasy. So, for example, take the word your. The word is spelt with an R at the end, but with neutral received pronunciation, the sound is unspoken. We don't say your, we say your, unless the word is followed by a vowel sound, like this. Don't forget to take your umbrella. Can you hear it? Your umbrella. If, on the other hand, your is followed by a consonant, the sound of your doesn't change at all, like this. You never forget your first kiss. Your first kiss. Now let's move on to some practice. Listen and practice this conversation in the accident and emergency department of a hospital. In this practice lesson, word linking is marked and words and syllables that are pronounced more strongly than others are marked in red. I've been waiting here for an hour and a half. I'm sorry, but we're always busy in this department. How much longer am I going to have to wait? I'm not sure, I'm afraid. Perhaps another hour. There isn't a doctor available at the moment. They're all extremely busy with more urgent cases. But I'm very urgent. What exactly is the matter? Really? I've already explained this to the lady at reception. Do I have to keep repeating myself over and over again? Please don't be rude, madam, or I'll have to ask you to leave. Well, all right if I must. It's my little finger on my left hand. I see. What's wrong with it? It's very painful. I think I might have broken it. And how did you do that, madam? I'm not sure I should tell you. Why not? Because it's rather embarrassing. I see. OK, then I'll tell you. I was in the pub, sitting on a bar stool, having a laugh and a drink with my friends, when suddenly, before I knew it, I'd fallen off my stool and was lying on the floor, and everyone was laughing at me and taking pictures. Yet another embarrassing moment in my life. Oh dear, perhaps you had one too many then? Maybe. So can you please tell me how much longer I'll have to stay in this ghastly place? Well, as it's only a minor injury, madam, I'd say at least another hour and a half now. What? Afraid so. We've just had another emergency. You might be better off coming back tomorrow. Oh, that's just unbelievable! Can you call me a taxi? Well, I hope you enjoyed that. My advice is don't go to A&E unless you really need to. In the meantime, keep safe. Love and peace. See you next week.